Oh god.
He got peeled.
I'm so dead.
What are you guys gonna do when you run out of ammo?
I don't know, and why is somebody else hitting me?
This is so bad. This is such a bad idea.
Oh, what?
You can't do
I
that.
ran out of ammo. I ran out of ammo.
I don't care, you melee it, you nerd.
Who died?
That was me.
The melee. The melee. No SMG.
And I died. Yeah, Ouija
Where'd he
killed me.
go? Oh god. I'm seeing double.
I almost went through that wall.
Oh. Oh, wow. That was great.
Double kill.
I'm through the crotch too.
Now everyone's like killing each other.
Oh, this is great.
I'm recording now.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Well then, I
Hey,
guess
you
you're not gonna
gotta
have anything to
consider
record.
crossbow on the medic.
You're not gonna have much material since everyone's invisible.
Yeah. Things I still shot him.
You gotta consider
This is madness
crossbow on
now.
the medic just to be a whole lot easier.
Wait, what'd you do that for? Oh, you took all of them out of the...
Evil contract delivery? Return address? The Black Abyss!
Oh, you bastard! I was gonna change.
I
I was gonna go around Buddhist
I shot him in the
We
face.
can kill the scouts more easier. Please.
Now I'm the only one who can be invisible.
Medic!
Yo, give me bacon.
Oh, how'd that not kill you?
Oh shit.
You didn't look that gray.
And the
Ow.
chaos continued.
That random flare shot out of
I
nowhere.
think they nerfed the
They
fucking
RKO'd
Crusaders
you,
crossbow.
No, they didn't nerf it, just like SBI farther the distance in order for it to do more damage.
No. I know what this is like. That's what you usually do. I don't know, whatever. I'm fucking terrible at pronunciation right now.
Here's the scout. Come at me, bro. I will fight. Ah, you're somewhere. Huzzah. Huzzah. I will get you. That's... I hit you. It made the sound.
I got traumatic.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
Oh,
There is no hope for you.
well, there goes
There is no
that.
hope. Only fear.
Yeah, there's a spy over there!
That sounds like it belongs in a game. There is no
EP,
hope.
you should do what I
Only
do.
fear.
Just walk around and completely invisible and block people from walking forward. It would be totally mind-blowing not to know what the hell's going on.
Seriously, Scout, leave me alone.
yeah, you should kill me, man.
Yeah.
Cause you're heavy, might as well use
Here's
kill
the
the crap out of
contract I like to
I ran straight into that one.
Who's the medic wolf?
Scared me. Hey, no, this is heavy.
I was blocking you in the corner.
Ow.
I still got him.
That was me. Trying to get the scouts.
Oh, there you are. I
Give
knew
me
you were
bacon or
somewhere.
give me peace.
I didn't expect you to shoot.
Taco, let's box.
Box.
I didn't know why.
Oh, that
I didn't
was-
expect you to shoot.
Other heavy studio.
No.
Here, let
It
me
was
hit
gonna
you
be
with
a
my
1v1,
stupid head.
but he just like snuck up behind me.
Hi.
Random death.
Oh no, these